Hey everybody, I'm Gokul from RBA. Selling your business should be an exciting event, but do you know only 49% of all companies that go under an LOI actually sell? As a restoration broker who's worked with 350 plus clients over 14 years, I know why this happens. Hey everybody, here's what I want to cover today. 7 lessons I've learned from over 500 million in restoration transactions. Okay, let's get right to it. Let's start with number 1. Time is not your friend when you're trying to sell your business. All right, number 2, the more competition you have, the better your offer and your terms are going to be. Okay, number 3, due diligence is not a chore, it is a necessity. All right, number 4, some parts of the negotiation are more important than others. Number 5, the LOI is the most important stage for a seller. All right. Number 6, strategic buyers will give you better offers than financial buyers. And last, number 7, understand leverage. Understand the process and when you as a seller has the most leverage in a transaction. Hey everybody, in this video, we're gonna cover the first point on the 7 lessons I've learned from 500 million in transactions, which is time is not your friend. Hey everybody, today I wanna talk about time and how important it is in getting a deal done. All right? As a general rule of thumb, if you're the seller, time is not your friend. Okay? The longer a deal takes, the more reasons buyers are going to find to lower your price and put downward pressure on all of your terms. So as a seller, it's really important, 1, to understand the journey, and 2, to be ready so you can go from an offer to a close in about 60 days. Selling your business is exciting and should be the pinnacle of your career, and it's complicated to get right. At RBA, we'll help our clients successfully navigate through this journey. We make the complicated simple. Go to www.rbasells.com and check us out.